The new normal is not like a target sitting there that you have to hit. New normal is what you create from inside your head through conscious and thoughtful action. Now imagine that our consciousness, which is like the ocean, is inside our head, almost like an aquarium, which does not contain the vastness of the ocean, but the limited version of what we see of the ocean. Now, I'll just give you an example of how old normal can be abandoned for the new normal. So look at the cup of tea. I'm just speaking of a cup of tea. And if I look at the cup of tea, what I see is a normal cup of tea. But if I look underneath, I will see this cup of tea is nothing but photons of light falling on a green leaf and turning it brown. You can't drink photons of light, obviously. What you call chai is nothing but photons of light, but you can't drink light directly through a leaf. So you put that leaf inside the cup, which is hot water, and the water is being heated by fire. And as the leaf is stirred inside the cup of hot water, it turns, the liquid turns brown. You can't drink that as it is, so you put a few drops of white fluid that a black cow eating green grass has produced. You call it milk, and you stir that milk. You're not happy with that either, so you put the sap of the earth that a pump called sugar cane has lifted. And that sap of the earth, when crystallized, becomes your sugar cube, and you stir the entire thing inside a cup. What you see here is the entire cosmic order, a cosmic conspiracy, as it were, inside a cup of tea. So the new normal is to see the larger context of a local action, of a small action. The moment you see the larger context, like the pandemic that we saw, the virus that we saw, did not have any geography. It was not from east, west, north or south. It did not have a history. It had a context which is much bigger. And so the ability to see a cup of tea, inside a cup of tea, the potential for so much of the universe is the new normal, because the new normal is not about the old mindset. New normal is about the new mindset of a new generation. Look at Zoom, look at any media in the education space, and the market cap of this little startup organizations are greater than American Airlines, Hilton Hotels. Now, just a little startup becoming bigger than an established player of 30 years, 40 years. That's a new normal, because what you see as big is actually small, what you see as small is actually quite big. It can be, based on your perspective. So the new normal is a function of what you see, what the perspective. So the perspective of a new generation is very different from the perspective of the old. The Karma Sutras that one is presenting here is to bring a very new perspective from the world of wisdom, from the world of sciences, from technology, to bear on the common phenomena that you see. And what you see is what you create. Now we have this expression called Jatha Drishti Tatha Srishti. Wherever your sight goes, insight goes, you create. And so the value creation process is the new normal. So you have to create value out of mundane things. You make a gobar gas plant out of gobar, a cow dung becoming a gas plant. And the point I'm trying to make is this, that the new normal is nothing more than a deep shift in our mindsets, in our perspective of doing business, of leading a life. That's about it.